Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send a payment request on PhonePe. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PhonePe app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the Request button. This will take you to the Request Money page, where you have multiple options to choose from. You can enter a mobile number manually, select a contact from your phone, or scan a QR code. If you have a QR code, simply scan it to request a payment. Otherwise, select a contact or enter their phone number. Next, enter the amount you want to request. You can also add a note or description if needed. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy, then confirm the request. The recipient will receive a notification and can complete the payment. Please note that the steps may vary slightly, depending on the app version and your location. If you encounter any issues, you can contact PhonePe customer support for assistance. So that's basically how you can send a payment request on PhonePe. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.